When dismantling, just follow the reverse procedure. So now I will put in the electricity. Very easy. And then we have the water to the window, rear window. Very easy. And then put in the light. And now you have to put back the 3 screws. We have one here, one here. It's not in the hole yet, and we have got one here. So I put the last one in here to hold the light steady. You need a tool, and I use this one. Very easy. Okay, fixed. Okay, now you have to put back all the plastic. We have to put back all the plastic things that cover electricity and water line. And you have to be careful with the clips. So you have to find the right hole for every clips. Okay, let's have a try. not easy. Okay, quite easy when you found out how to do it. Okay, now I have to fasten this plastic history with 2 screws. One hole here and one hole here, down here. Yes, let's fix it. Yes, that was one. And where is the second one? Unfortunately, it disappeared. Very common, but here it was. Okay. Easy. And now you have to put back 2 plastic covers on the sides. This one will be seated here, and we have already put one on this side. So you have to be gentle here to get it right. You got holes here, 1, 2 holes, and they will fit with these things here. Okay? So I start at this end. And I think the result is good enough.
Prick.
Lite kort. Så var det inte förut. Yes, follow us. We will show the last cover we have to install. It's a bit tricky, I think. And we have clips on the back that will fit in the holes. Okay, we have put the cover on place. It was quite easy. I got in the car in the camera position, and then my wife hold down the door, and I just slammed it in with my hands. No problem. But we have to put some screws in, and then it's okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we will now put in the last screws that will hold the black big cover in place. One. Okay, two. Three. Four. Okay, we have come to the end of this movie. We now have to put back this hook. I don't really know what it's for, but I think you can use it to something. So I will put this one back, and when you dismantle the rear top brake light, you have to start with this thing. Don't forget that. You have to start with this little thing. Okay, very good. I think you can use a strap or something to hold the door down if you can't close it. I think that's the reason why it's there. So, and then we have a cover to cover this little thing. We have to find it, and here it is, a little cover. Okay, I cover. Yes, and now we are ready. So you have to start with this cover, and then the hook under the cover. And this was this fill. I hope you enjoyed it. And we will now shut down the camera. Goodbye.
And good luck.